Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to Steel Mountain Moto.
Now, I invited Marcus over today because we've gotten quite a bit of mail lately. Marcus doesn't really know much about it, but why don't you tell him why we would have some mail?
So this Halloween, we entered a contest for Simpson Motorcycle Helmets called Spooky Simpson 2025.
I'm going to start grabbing some boxes. You keep
Perfect. So what that does is you can win first place and you could win a helmet and some swag. So
we did win first place. This is the picture right here.
So after that, we won, and then, you know, you get all these huge boxes, right? This is insane. So we're supposed to get a helmet and some swag, but I really wanted a helmet. He really wanted a helmet. And it's like, how do you decide who gets the helmet? So I said, hey, Scott, can you talk to Simpson? I'll pay for it, see what they can do.
Okay, so first off, Scotty is a hell of a negotiator. Okay? So let's take him through story time. Let's get rid of all these boxes.
So there's two of us. And I said to Scott, what can you do?
Well, so Scott's a pretty good negotiator. So, you know, the contest allowed us to win one motorcycle helmet. I think there was a Cardo in there, maybe some swag. I don't really recall what it was for the Simpson 2025 Spooky Simpson contest. But I thought, well, you know what? What if we just give up some of the swag and we ask them if we can have two helmets?
That'd be really cool. I would love that.
So this is where story time starts. So what I did is I contacted Simpson. I said, this is unbelievable. I can't believe we won. That is super cool. What can we do about two helmets? And they're like, I don't know.
And I even said, I'm like, I will pay for it. It'll help save shipping, right? I just really want a helmet.
I'll just add in, or maybe I can just do the carbon, or maybe we can do this or that. And he really wanted a mod. He's like, dude, you already have the mod. I should really win this. And I was like, dude, there's two of us here. We gotta play fair. We have to. He didn't think we had to. But we have to play fair. So, without further ado,
box numero uno.
Why don't we take a look at this box? What do we have inside here? It does look like maybe just one.
It could. Lately, everyone ships with boxes way bigger than it really should be. Whoa!
That looks to be two boxes, my friend.
That looks like a twofer.
A twofer. Now, Marcus has no idea. Oh, we don't need that. But I ordered, well, I don't want to say I ordered, but I got us two helmets. Don't look at that label, whatever you do. Is that on your side? Okay. The labels are all looking at you guys. So, why don't we clean this up a little bit, and we'll reveal what we did here for Marcus.
All right.
Okay, so Simpsons are out of the box. We're going to reveal these in a second, but why don't you take everybody through what you were looking for when you were looking for your new helmet?
So, my check boxes were mod and carbon because...
Mod mean modular.
Modular. And because this guy always has to show off and drink his coffee while he's riding his bike, and I'm tired of it, so I want my mod too. And carbon's just sick, right? It's just cool. So
carbon is sick. So we might have gotten some of the wishes right. But I guarantee you, when you take a look at this, you're going to be kind of blown away because it's not the type of helmet that we should be rocking on our baggers.
No?
No. Okay. This guy can't wait. Okay, I'm going to get this one out of the way. Marcus, why don't you open yours and see what it's all about?
All right. This is already looking weird. It's a weird shape. What the hell is this?
Well, so it is something a little bit new.
Oh.
It is something a little different. Let's get that out of here.
Is that a pin lock?
Pin lock. We've talked about these in the past.
You
need
them?
The amazing thing is, this comes with this particular helmet. You get one of these each.
That's really
which is about $80, $90 in savings. So this is a little bit of a different contour than you'd probably look at. But so the other part is, Marcus is going with a blue theme on his bike. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen a blue Simpson helmet before.
No way.
Have a look.
No way.
What is this? So this, our friends, is what we call, and it's not overly new, it's about a year in, I think, maybe or so, for Simpson. This is with a peak for the adventure rider in your life, and this is called the Simpson Modular Journey. Actually, there's two different versions of this. There's the Excursion, which is not a modular, and then the Journey is. So why don't we take you through this helmet and see what you think. But what are your first thoughts?
I mean, it's cool. It's sick. It's a wicked theme, but like, I don't have a dirt bike, so why a Journey? Why'd
You
you
don't
choose
need a
this?
dirt bike. You could ride a Pan Am. You could take a BMW GS 12.
Are you getting me a Pan Am?
Of Africa Twin? No, we're not doing it for that. But it's going to look really cool with some blue on Marcus's bike and the white bike beside him with pearl.
Ah, I see what you're getting at. You want a matchy-match.
We want a matchy-match. No, what we want to do is we're going to set some new trends here.
Okay.
The peak is completely removable.
Oh.
The field of vision is unbelievable in this helmet. The fit is pretty sick, and it's a modular. It's a metallic paint finish. It's a super cool design, and I think we can be setting some trends here on the streets, on our baggers, with an adventure helmet.
Okay, trendsetter or not, I'm not 100% there yet. I get your concept. It might be cool if it's removable, but what'd you got? Did you one-up me here?
Well, what if I got you carbon? Or I got me carbon?
I would have to kill you.
Okay, so Marcus is not buying into the adventure rider portion of Bagger Life just yet. So I'm going to show you what I got. And I already know what this is. But you'll see the shape is the same. Oh, we also have our pen lock, which is handy dandy. Let's get rid of the box. So kids, I haven't even looked at this thing yet. I hope it's good. I also got the Excursion as well.
So we're fully matchy-matchy.
We're very matchy-matchy. Again, the peak. But my thinking is here, we both wanted a modular, which we got. We both love the operation of the Simpson helmet. Okay? The peak or no peak, excuse me, who cares really? I really love the shape of this helmet. I think it's a different play on the regular Ghost Bandit and the mod. So, I think this is going to be a really cool addition. We can leave the peak on. We can take it off. We're going to have to wait for some warmer weather to see how the peak aerodynamically affects things. But they do say that on a Pan Am, out on the streets, you can rip these things and they're absolutely fine. So we can check into it. But it might cause some concerns with what we currently got going on for aerodynamics. But gives us the modular, gives us a cool new look. I think this is the future of Simpson. And I think you need to have an open mind.
All right, let's give it a go.
Let's give it a go. Let's see what we got to do. Oh, maybe we should go through the rest of the boxes. You're not excited to see what's in those?
Yeah, I completely forgot. There's like so many boxes.
So we got a bunch of boxes from Simpson. We're going to open up the rest here and let's see what else we got.
All right. All right. Box 2.
Box numero deuce. So, yeah, I haven't been through any of this stuff. Again, waiting for Marcus to come by. I've been checking the mail for days, and there's just one box after another box after another box. So we would like to say, Simpson Motorcycle Helmets, you have definitely outdid yourselves with the two helmets.
No way.
God. Amazing. What do we got here? Okay, first off, what's in this box? I can see it. You can see it.
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, that's cool, though. That's sick.
Simpson Motorcycle Helmets.
They the same?
Oh, they are.
Oh, yeah.
We can be matchy-matchy.
Hell yeah. These are
America.
sick.
Okay, so 2 T-shirts. We're getting pretty...
No way.
Should we show them yet? Don't show them.
2 is unbelievable.
Oh, dude. All right, guys. Should we do 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3. Oh, Simpson Cardos.
Branded Cardos. Now, I have the Simpson branded Cardo,
I never had it.
and everybody has been very upset.
I was always jealous of that.
Yeah, everybody's.
Because it's blacked out. It's like
it's
matte black
super
as well.
sick. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have to do this, right? This
No,
one.
you don't. It's pretty smart.
We have to. Hey, everybody. This is what I'm using today. So, amazing. Dude, I wasn't expecting any of this.
No, that's wicked.
I had thought that I'd given up all other things to get 2 helmets, and they've sent us 2 Simpson Cardos. That is phenomenal.
That's unreal. That is unreal. And
Pack Talk edges. This is what actually we use in all of our other helmets.
Yeah, because it's got the JBL in it. The battery life has been unreal. It lasts kind of like all day. Even when it starts to say low, it just keeps
It
going.
just keeps going. And then if you look at another video we did in the past, we actually talked about how to charge your Cardos when you are running out of juice. So take a look at that. But Pack Talk Edge, absolutely amazing. We use these in all of our other helmets. I've got the Simpson branded one. I was able to get that through a little different thing that I did. But Cardo Pack Talk Edge, definitely our go-to choice.
Yeah, they're
Music's
the
amazing. We can
go-to.
hear each other. Awesome. Thank you,
Okay.
Simpson. What else we
I
got?
can't even begin to imagine what's in the other boxes. If that's just box number 2.
That's box number 2. Box number 3. Box. What are we on?
3. This is the 3rd box.
3 boxes. All right, let's do. All right, bro. I'll let you do the. Don't you guys look. What is this?
Let me take one out of it. Okay. All right.
No way. Simpson hoodie.
That's cool.
Amazing. So 2 Simpson hoodies as well. We got a second one here, bro. All right. So 1 hoodie, 2 Forza hoodie. Thank you very much, Simpson. We've got 2 T-shirts, 2 hoodies, 2 Cardos, 2 helmets. And I think we have one. Oh
yeah, there's one
This
more.
is the one that this was inside.
Is that a certificate of authenticity?
Oh, looks like an envelope of some sort. We don't need a knife for that one.
No. Childproof.
Let's take a look at what's in here. It's like a bunch of goodies.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, nice. Stickers. We got some other stuff. Is that everything? What do we got here?
2s and 2s.
Oh, no way. Smoky Mountain Bike Week. That's actually, I think, that's the sign from the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Oh, that's cool.
Or
Yeah.
Smoky Mountain National Park.
We got Texas, good old Simpson, Texas.
I think, well, first off, Simpson and Holly are from Texas.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But I think this might have been from Born Free in Texas.
That's cool. Some Flat Out Fridays.
Sick. We got a Sturgis Bike Week. And we got a couple of those, but you got, what's this mountain called again?
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore. And then we got the Simpson dude on
You
the
could
end.
tell we are not American.
We're not American.
Some cool keychains. Get your helmets gone.
Oh, yeah. We got a bunch of them.
Oh, there's a few.
Black,
A couple
white,
different colors.
red.
Oh, red for
And
you.
then we got America. Marcus can rock that one. And I'll take the wheels. Nice.
That's
awesome.
cool.
So, Simpson, thank you.
You guys are awesome. This is wicked stuff.
This is wicked. An amazing team of people that I've dealt with. I know you didn't do much with them, but everybody that I talked to was absolutely amazing. The contest, everything worked super awesomely well.
Yeah.
I can't thank you guys enough. This is unbelievable. So I guess what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get every helmet ready like we get every other helmet ready.
Yeah, believe it or not, they're not ready to go right out the box. So
Well, not in our eyes anyway.
no. So you got to check out one of our other videos on how to get your helmet ready.
So I think we should like, comment, subscribe.
And ring the bell.
They're going to have to ring the bell because they're going to need to know when we do the next steps to get our helmets ready for riding season 2026.
And Spooky Simpson 2026. Can we outdo ourselves again?
Ooh, that is the big question. So, in talks with Simpson as well. Spooky season 2026, they want to blow this up.
This will be
So there
bigger.
are some other folks that were involved in it, and they do some really wicked work. They do one option for reels, or one winner for reels.
Oh, yeah.
And a second winner for just the still photo. We got the still photo. But I think next year, we're going to bring it hard, hot, and heavy. And we're going to see if we can even blow this thing up even more.
Bigger, badder, spookier.
Ooh, spooky. I like more blood and gore. Marcus doesn't think we're going to win with that, but we'll spend the rest of the time until October next year bashing heads and figuring out what we're going to do. So we're going to bring you some comparables between helmets. We're going to show you the Pack Talk internals install. We're going to do a graphene coating. We're going to show you what a pin lock does again. We're going to maybe take the peak off and give you our reviews, and hopefully you guys are going to want to check all this stuff out. So stay tuned. Again, ring the bell. You're going to know when we post it.
See you next time.
See you next time. Peace.